I hit this issue today and here as the quick fix that solved it. Transferring money between different platforms can be tricky, but I found a straightforward way to do it. Step 1. Link your PayPal account. Start by logging into your PayPal account and navigate to the Wallet section. Here, you will need to link your bank account to facilitate the transfer. Step 2. Withdraw funds from PayPal. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 3. Wait for the transfer to complete. After initiating the withdrawal, it may take 3 minutes 5 business days for the funds to appear in your bank account. Keep an eye on your bank statement during this time. Step 4. Log into your Stripe account. Once the funds have cleared in your bank account, log into your Stripe account. Go to the balance section to prepare for adding the funds. Step 5. Add funds to Stripe. In the Stripe dashboard, select the option to add funds to your account. Enter the amount you wish to transfer and confirm the transaction. The funds should be available shortly. Remember, always double check the amounts and ensure your accounts are properly linked to avoid any delays. Happy transferring!